In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Wix, an essential skill if you're looking to streamline processes and automate tasks on your website. We'll walk through the entire setup together, ensuring that you're left with a seamless connection between the two platforms. First things first, let's get started by opening your Wix website. Go ahead and log in to your Wix account and access the website you'd like to connect with Zapier. Once you've successfully navigated to your site, the next step is to enable developer mode, or dev mode as it's often called. This feature provides the advanced tools needed for integration. You'll find this option at the top of your site editor. Simply click it to turn it on. Now, let's move on to the homepage dashboard. Here, you'll want to look for the section labeled Automations. Click on it, and this will lead you to the powerful automation functionalities that Wix has to offer. Within the Automations section, you'll see an option to create new automations. Go ahead and click on that. It's always best to start fresh, so for our purposes today, we're going to select Start from Scratch. After selecting Start from Scratch, it's important to note that you might experience a brief pause. Patience is key, as it takes a moment for the site to load everything necessary to build from scratch. Once you're there, the next step is to choose a trigger that fits your needs. A trigger is an event that kicks off the automation, so think carefully about what action you want to initiate this process. When you've decided on the appropriate trigger, click on the plus icon. Clicking this will allow you to add an action. For our integration, you'll click on Action, and it will guide you directly to Zapier's connection platform. Here, you will see an option labeled Connect to Zapier. Clicking on this link will seamlessly integrate Zapier with your Wix site, opening up a new world of possibilities for automated workflows and tasks. Once you've successfully connected Zapier, it's essential to save your progress. Simply click Save and you're all set. Your Wix website is now connected with Zapier, allowing you to utilize Zapier's extensive list of compatible apps to automate daily tasks and simplify your workload. By following these steps, you've now empowered your Wix site with enhanced automation capabilities through the integration with Zapier. Feel free to experiment with different triggers and actions to fully customize your experience. Remember, automation is a journey, not a destination, and there's always room to optimize. Thanks for watching and happy automating.